I'm sure you've heard the news. Miss Hoover's still teaching at Springfield Elementary. But do you know her secret hobbies? Let's dive into 5 hilarious facts about Lisa's unforgettable teacher. Fact 1. Miss Hoover's first name is Elizabeth, though nobody in Springfield remembers it. Fact 2. She once believed she had Lyme disease, but it turned out to be just psychosomatic. Fact 3. Her teaching style? Let's call it aggressively average. Fact 4. She loves word search puzzles almost as much as she loves ignoring Bart Simpson. And fact 5. She's taught at Springfield Elementary longer than the school's janitor has cleaned the cafeteria. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.